Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar here, and the second position from the bottom is connected with the timer. So in my case I've got 2 seconds delay applied, but let's pretend we've got it turned off. As you can see, the timer icon is not visible. So now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the left on the left side, and here we've got the timer icon. So let's simply tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to choose the option. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, let me tap on it, and as you can see it will be notified here. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. All right, and we've got our photo taken. So if you wish to turn off the timer, you can do it quickly right here. Just tap on it and tap on this timer icon, and it will immediately disappear, and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.